umaga, Chumerica. Magandang umaga sa inyong mga inday, mga dudong. Kumusta ang buhay? So ngayon mga inday, uumpisahan natin yung boses ko dahil mahina. So ngayon mga inday, uumpisahan natin yung morning natin. Ang oras dito actually mga inday, kanina pa kami nagising. Ang oras dito sa amin is 11 o'clock in the morning. And then kailangan kong kunin itong sinampay ko lahat day. Dry na yan day. Bakit ano day? Nakulimlim day. Iunot natin yung ano day. Iunot natin yung ilaw. Biglang ano day, yung ilaw. Oh, yan, nakauna yung ilaw. Biglang na, yung liwanag ng araw, diba? Biglang na off or parang nag-dim yung ilaw, day. So, kukunin na natin tong sinampay ko dito kasi as what I said is dry na yan. And then, maglagay tayo ng panibagong yung nilalabhan ko na white dye ba. And then of course, hindi mawawala itong upuan dye kasi kulang tayo sa height. Patay ay. So umpisa na natin.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. In this sweet air I sing softly. The world is bright. La 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 la. Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la.
Mga inday, magsasampay na tayo ng ating nalalabhan na day. Nandito sa gilid day. And then, isasampay natin ito sa labas mga inday. Mga inday, nandito na tayo sa labas mga inday. Pasensya na kayo na may ingay kayong maririnig kasi yung kapitbahay ko day is naglawn mower sa yard nila day. So, ilagay ko kayo dito. And then, magsampay na tayo. Diyan tayo nagsasampay day. Nagsasampay. Yung white, nakasampay na yung white. Buti na lang day today, mainit today, nagpakita si Haring Araw kaya madadry talaga yung lahat ng ating nilalabhan day na nasa likod. So, pasok na tayo sa loob. Ngayon mga inday, nandito tayo sa man cave kung saan kami natutulog. And then kailangan natin linisan, natin arrange itong man cave day. I-off na natin itong electric fan. And then, Huwag natin i-off pala dahil ayaw ng asawa ko dahil na, yan o ba, tanggalin ito. So, dito lang sa electric pan ang i-off natin. Ito sa likod. Naka-off na dahil. And then, yung bed natin, oh, hindi pa siya naka-arrange yung bed natin dahil wala pa, kalat pa talaga. So, yan yung tatrabahuin natin. Yung bed natin at ilagay ko kayo dito dahil. Ilagay ko kayo dyan. Ilagay ko kayo dyan. Hello mga inday. Hello mga inday, mga dudong. Ang bata natin dahil bagong gising. And then, lalabas tayo mga inday. Lalagyan ko siya ng shoes. Dali. Sit down here. Put shoes. Shoes. What is this? Shoes. Ay, papa. My love, where is the brush, my love?
I own it now.
Okay. Ay, sabi ng asawa ko dahil siya na daw yung nagmamay-ari ng suklay namin dahil. Dinala niya sa man cave. Wala pa akong suklay dahil. Mama will put sandals. Put sandals. Put sandals, mama. Put sandals. Let's go na. Let's go. Mama will need to brush my hair. Agroy, yung bata nga. Bata na ito na kulit dahil. Kailangan ko pang, nang-uiab man ng isa deh. Nandyan na naman yung bagong laruan ng anak ko dai.
Yes, sir.
Bagong laruan, be. More closer, be. Pwede ka na really see it.
Mira.
Bagong toy ng anak ko dai, nandyan na dai. Parang motorcycle dai, pero e-bike yan dai.
It goes 55 miles per hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope that will not easily to break,
No,
Koji.
it's not quite a lot.
It's same of the first one.
No, it's not. That one's like cheaper.
Ah,
That was
okay.
like 600 plus.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, nak, I need to brush my... Nak, basing mag-ulan, nak, akong hinalay, nak, ha? Nakoy gihalay, ayaw, kalimot-kalimot, basing mabasa ba?
Dili ka mo, pupira pa tra.
Amoy, mukhang socks ni mo. Nak, ali na, nak. Ay, susuklayan ko muna yung buhok ko, day. May lalabas na kami, mga inday. Andin na dito yung bata. Let's go na. Let's go na, Papa. Na, Papa is in the car na. You go there inside na. Kin, kamot. May, dali. Mama will help you. Yeah. Gigo na. Bye-bye, kuya. Bye-bye, kuya.
Bye-bye, Asher.
We are going na. Bye-bye.
See you, Asher.
Busy man ni, oh. Ina, dali na. Papa's in the car na. Dali, come here na. Shilton. We are in the big gari. Kuy. Ha, kuy. Ha. Wala, may lab. Ayun po dyan. Mga inday, nandito kami sa car wash, mga inday. Nandito na like, dyan ang car wash.
Let me
you're
grab a
good,
diamond.
Asher.
We're good. You guys got new car smell? Yes. All right. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
He already knows what's going to happen.
Yeah, I will go there.
Yeah,
look.
you will climb back there. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you.
Papa will get here.
What you owe?
Okay. Nagpanty raman to day. Ay, sobrang sexy nung katabi ko day. Parang underwear na yung ano na day.
outside and it did not hurt you at all.
Yeah, that's right, Asher. You don't need to be scared. Day, sobrang takot niya day sa ano day, sa what we call of that day, car wash. Sobrang takot ni Asher sa car wash day. Umupo talaga ako sa tabi niya day. Ewan ko bakit natatakot siya. Natatakot siya day sa mga malalaking brush. My love.
Just to make sure.
My love, he is scared for, you know, for the big brush.
Yeah, no, but that's 3 times now.
Yeah, it's 3 times already. Yeah. Nandito pala tayo day. Oh, that smell good. You can smell that. My love. Smell good. Pasok tayo. Pasok na tayo. Ang daming tao. Hello. Yeah, order na daw siya day. That is what you want? That's what you want? Huh? Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. My name is
A large diet, small diet, a Corona, and also a large regular Coke. Yeah.
You might have what? Spider? No. Like.
I don't want it to break.
Serve.
They'll break it when you can't get your mouth to it. You'll crack it if you let it bend.
Ah, really?
Yeah. And you get air through it. And you're sitting there just trying to get the pop on you.
You're guapo gani. Dalang ba na dayo? So guapo dayo. Look that face. So guapo.
Salamat.
Thank you so much. Yung bata natin na naglalaro na din. What the papa doing? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, papa doing something in your hair. Uh-oh. Oh, squish, squish, squish. Lang laway.
Can we get started on some nachos and cheese? The what? No. Just
No.
the regular cheese and chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the case
Yeah.
of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Put that in there as well. And can I get a kid's mac and fries with that as well?
Thank
That way they
you.
come and he's not wanting the nachos.
Yeah. Dayo na. Sisid ka tawa. Smiling. Why are you smiling? Natulog na kami. Sure. Dahil nandito na yung order namin, Day. Kabibi Kano, and then ito. And then cheese. And then yan, fries ko, Bibi Kano, and then ito din. Ito yan yung order namin yung Day.
Huh?
And then nag-take out din kami din para sa boys, Day. Bakong Koji o Asher. Ay, kag Koji, ha?
He keeps looking for that girl.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Dahil alam nyo ba Day, kanina Day, may isang girl dito, parang 6 or 7 years old Day. Si Bibi Kano Day, nag-flirt Day. 18 months old pa yan Day. Tinatry niya, kinuha yung attention ng girl Day.
He's gonna have a girlfriend, you know.
Look. You are the father. sabi ng ama niya Day, si Bibi Kano daw Day, magkakaroon ng girlfriend.
10 years
Kahit
old.
bata pa Day, may girlfriend na. Sabi ng papa niya, baka 10-year-old may may girlfriend na si Bibi Kano. Ano yun? Pumatay. Wala ka anak. Ano? Dahil yung pagkain na. Yan yung...
You never show it in the video, so.
Actually, you can follow me now.
Yummy. And then, tapos na kami kumain. And then, may take out kami dahil para kay Puji at Prince. And then, si Bibi Kano at papa niya nandyan. Eh, pangit yung camera ko dahil. Iwan ganito yung camera ko dahil. Ang daming sasakyan. Oh, there is ano lab. Oh, what do you call this one lab? This one ba? To connect.
Camper.
Yeah, camper.
There's more Buicks.
Oh, more Buicks. More new model. Ang daming sasakyan dahil. Buick lahat. Buick. Hala, this one is big though.
It's a Buick.
Yeah, it's a Buick. What kind of Buick?
Might be an Enclave.
Wow, that's
Might be
pretty.
the new Enclaves are not as rounded, love.
This is pretty long. Huh, I like that.
I think that's the
The white
Enclave.
one is nice.
That's our car.
It's our
Yeah, that's ours. New model, but that's
Yeah,
ours.
new
Look,
model.
back.
Yeah, you look down. Ah, yeah, Enclave.
Yeah, right there they are. Those are all ours, just new model.
Wow, that's it's ano pretty the new model. I love no.
I like our bubble.
I like our ano too, but
got a
it's
bubble.
pretty too.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, could I?
Laugh at our bubble.
That's right.
We hurt the car's feelings.
Well, we like you. Don't worry.
There's a black one.
Where? No, it's a small one, love.
Yeah, for you. Something.
Ah, yeah.
The little black Buick.
That is what I like, day. Oh, it's ano, expensive man yan, love. It's expensive car.
Yeah, brand new it's gonna be.
Oh yeah, for sure. But you know, I'm only just a dreaming, but I will not drive. I will not drive. Kasi ano day, hindi ko naman kailangan na mag-drive day. Hindi ko kailangan mag-drive dito kasi uuwi naman kami dyan sa Pilipinas for maybe 3 to 5 years from now, who knows, diba? Ito yung asawa ko lang ang mag-drive at saka yung anak ko na panganay, siya yung mag-drive.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la.
Gasolina.
Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden.
Bakit hindi siya uminom ng madami doon dahil na free? Kasi dahil ano, drink all you can yung ano pinuntahan namin kanina ba? Yung bata dati, nandiyan yung bata. Shilton? Shh! Ay, sis, nanguyab na. Inaantok ka na, anak? Are you sleepy? Shilton, Asher! Hawa na, day. Wala nang pakialam sa mundo, day. May tinitingnan yung bata batuta. Ay, sis, ang drama. Sis, ang drama ang dagway. Nagdadama. So, nandyan yung papa niya, day. And then, hinihintay na lang namin dito. Inaantok na, day. Ako, day. Medyo, ano siya, day, yung para sa amin is a long weekend sa amin. Kasi nga, it's been how many days now, day, na ano, naglilinis kami sa bahay. Dahan-dahan namin linisan yung bahay. Kasi, di ba, nakita nyo naman sa video, medyo may kalakihan yung bahay. So, hindi mo makakaya na maglinis sa isang araw. Sobrang laki ta. I mean, not sobra, but you know, tama-tama jud day. Nung first day, nilinisan namin yung front porch, mag-asawa. Tinulungan ako ng asawa ko. And then, next, nilinisan namin yung man cave. And then, next, nilinisan ko yung buong bahay. Taga ako naglinis day. Kasi nga is, paparating na yung kapatid ko day. Then, ganyan naman tayo mga Pilipino, diba? Kapag may parating na bisita, naglilinis talaga tayo ng bahay. Diba? So, as what I see day, hindi talaga basta-basta maglinis sa bahay day. Nakakapagod, ba't kakayanin? Kasi day, kapag matapos ka na maglinis, diba, alam ko makaka-relate kayo dyan, lalo na sa mga mama. Pagkatapos nyo maglinis sa bahay, and then nakita nyo yung malinis na yung bahay nyo, diba day, masaya tayo na makita yung bahay natin is malinis. So, yeah, kahit medyo pagura, gugu pa rin kahit pagod. Sobrang pagod. And then kanina day naglan mo yung asawa ko day, buong yard namin day. Mino ng asawa ko day. Kasi medyo mahaba na talaga yung yung grass day. Unsa man ikaw sige kag complain ya ron ha? Ha? Complain ka? Ay sus ang dagoy. Ay sus super cute ng bata oy. Ay sus. We are waiting Papa. Papa is still there inside. Papa buying Coke. Oh, Papa is coming soon. Papa is coming. So we need to wait Papa. No one will drive. You know how to drive? Ha? You know, sus, ang dagoy ito ng tingnan. Ay, sus. Dahil nandito na yung asawa ko, of course. Ang driver natin, hindi mawala. Hindi tayo under kapag walang driver. So, may free siya, day.
Slurpee.
Nice Slurpee daw.
I got a Slurpee.
Yeah. May free yan, day. And then, this one is free too, yeah? And this one is free again, day. Kasi, day, walang ibang pira na dala yung asawa ko. $50, day. And wala silang change. Kaya sabi nung day, cashier,
So he said, take it.
Sa'yo na yan.
I said, hell yeah.
Sa'yo na yan.
You're my dude.
Yeah, that's right. Asher, patay ka sa kwaron ha. So, itong lahat dahil is free.
Right.
Kasi walay kambyo. No change sila sa $50. So, kaya binigay na lang sa asawa ko dahil free.